guy who turns out to be a black man trying to pass for white.
J.edgar Hoover
History.
was a black man?
Yeah. Oh,
I didn't
well,
know
yeah.
that. What the?
Oh, look. I'll do this. Since we're talking, I'll let you see a picture of him. Now, who is this?
Wow.
That's J. Edgar Hoover
Really?
as a young man.
Well, he definitely looked like a black guy there, but I never knew
Yeah,
that.
and the Smithsonian Channel and the History Channel have done features over the last several years about his hatred for the Klan and what he was, because the Klan ran his family out of Louisiana because they were trying to pass for white. So it's
What the?
interesting what we do to ourselves.